Hi, everybody. This is Silvio Canto in Dallas, Texas on Monday, March the 4th, and welcome to our video commentary. Well, the abortion debate has been in the news here recently, and a lot of it has to do with the governor of Virginia and his remarks about keeping a baby comfortable. And then you had, of course, what happened in New York, where they were cheering the passing of a law that basically allowed abortion at any time in the pregnancy. And all of this has basically changed the national conversation about abortion in the abstract to specifically late term abortion or other forms of late term abortion. Now, here in Texas, we are proposing something called the heartbeat law. And the heartbeat law is a bill that basically says that as long as there's a heartbeat, as long as you can hear the heartbeat of a baby, you cannot have an abortion. Because of technology, you can now hear the heartbeat of a baby in 12 weeks. Some people say you can even go 10 weeks. I have not confirmed that, but I've read it. But definitely 12 weeks is an uh, acceptable time frame. So what happens? What happens when the doctor says, okay, you want an abortion, and the doctor has to check the heartbeat, and all of a sudden that doctor says to the mother, yes, there is a heartbeat inside of you. You know, should that mother then agree to an abortion? And that's what this bill in Texas is all about. Here in Texas, we say no, you cannot have an abortion if there's a heartbeat. Now, similar laws are working in other states. Iowa, I think, passed one. Mississippi, Louisiana, Kentucky, other states are working on similar laws. But it seems to me like a very sensible position. I mean, if you have a heartbeat, how can you have an abortion? Now, this will eventually go to the Supreme Court, of course, once it passes Texas, because it will be challenged. And then we'll see what happens. But what I'm hoping is that the Supreme Court will say, okay, yes, you can put those restrictions in Texas or in Kentucky and wherever. And if your state doesn't want to put those restrictions, that's fine. But let's give states the opportunity to put whatever restrictions their population feels is necessary in those particular states. So I think we're going to win this debate because most of the country opposes late term abortion. And of course, with respect to the heartbeat, I'm not exactly sure that has been debated nationally, but I'm pretty sure that the heartbeat law as well as late term abortion will be major issues in 2020. And I think this particular time, I believe that we're going to win the debate because, when you have a heartbeat, how can you have an abortion when you can hear a heartbeat? I think that's a pretty good debate to have. Well, thank you for watching. We have all of these on YouTube, on Twitter, and on my blog. And if today is your birthday, happy birthday. Bye-bye, everybody.